Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. So you're gonna see the flickering here. That's just in camera. That is not doing that in person. Just the camera being kind of crazy. 3,421 miles on the odometer. Now you have a slightly tinted front windshield and then the tint on the sides. This does help a lot with glares, especially cutting down the heat and preserving that dash from that heat rejection from the window tint. So I really like that. Alignment's perfectly straight. Now if you look at the steering wheel, it is one tiny degree off center. If I put it right there, that to me would be straight. It's very subtle, and sometimes it depends on the road. It smells brand new in here, super fresh and clean. Absolutely gorgeous. You glide in and out of these seats. It's one thing I love about Corvette seats. They're not hard to get in and out of. You just glide in and glide out, and the bolsters are always really nice and clean. They don't get beat up on these cars as often as you would think. They did a good job at keeping them kind of low profile. I know this is annoying seeing this in camera. But like I said, it does not do that in person. When you get close, you can see it goes away. It's just kind of the frame rate of the camera. Just doing a real quick drive, not getting on it or anything. Just want to show you that the car drives perfectly straight. You can hear those shifts. Beautiful car though. Got the carbon ceramic brakes, and man, they bite. They definitely connect really well. I love the look of them, and I like how they keep the wheels nice and clean too. You don't get a ton of brake dust. Beautiful, beautiful car though. No complaints with drivability. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So this car had a massive $100,000 MSRP. I think it was 104 and some change. It'll be on the website exact. But she's got the carbon ceramics, beautiful red interior. You can see they color matched the vents here. So the hood vent, the fender vent, and the little louvers here, and the trim around the taillights was all color matched white. It may not show up in camera, but the hue is off just a hair. I would like to see those back to the original black, but the white still looks good. Here on this wheel, you do have some chipping on that very edge, just on this wheel only, and you can see it's just like that little black piece. So if you honestly went in here and had that painted black again, the edge, it would look really good. And you know, I don't feel like it's rash necessarily, but maybe something kind of grazed it and just kind of chipped away on that black. So there's a close-up, if you can see what I'm talking about. It's almost like an overlay, like they painted the lip from the factory and it just kind of chipped off. Other than that, that wheel is incredible. I love the design. Massive carbon ceramics. Absolutely beautiful. Looking at that fender, I don't see any chips, scuffs, scratches, or anything like that. You got the carbon down the side. You have the front windshield that's tinted. Looks really good, but it's also preserving that dash and that interior, which smells brand new in there and looks amazing. Side mirror looks good. A-pillar's clean. Kind of scanning that roof, I'm not seeing any flaws there. Absolutely beautiful. When we're checking at the edge, that feels perfect. Now here you have the OEM PPF, and if you can see, it has yellowed over the years. So if you remove that and replace it, it'll look a lot better, but I would just do the full quarter panel here in PPF to really protect it. But it's already done a great job, and there's next to no miles on this car, so it really hasn't sustained any damage. So still a perfect candidate to get that redone. The edge of that wheel looks perfect. Date code on the tires, that one's 2024. I mean, I love these carbon ceramics, and they keep your wheels nice and clean. You don't get all that brake dust, so it's perfect for a car like this. That wheel though, the design looks super good. Got the all-season 4 ZPs, Pilot Sports. Quarter panel looks good. You can see here, like I said, they had that painted to kind of color match. Headlights look amazing. You do have the carbon front splitter here. Now if we get down low, it has sustained a little bit of damage on that edge. You can see that. Kind of chewed it up just a hair. Very light rash on the other side. But just kind of walking around it, all of that looks good. Now if you get way under there on that edge, you're going to see a little bit more rash. And then as for the front end, a couple tiny little rock impacts. Other than that, looks good. Headlights are really clear. You can see they painted these vents, so they're white. Like I said, the hue is off just a smidge, and it may just be the lighting in here. This looks good. It's the metallic black there. That is beautiful, and I think that is painted. It could be a vinyl. I'll have to check on that window sticker. Just really hard to tell. That looks really good though. Front end, beautiful. Love the carbon. That fender looks good. Scanning through this wheel, the edge looks good. I don't see any rash. Look at the wheel weights. Those look amazing. Beautiful, beautiful wheel. Lower rocker and carbon. That looks good so far. Beautiful car. Not much to complain about here. That looks good. The edge of the door feels good. Now right here is a little scratch on the carbon, probably from getting in and out. That has yellowed as well. Just remove all that and replace it. Quick and easy fix. Wheel looks amazing. Quarter panel's clean. Got the carbon on the back. And then you have the factory holes here. You can see their OEM there. To put those little inserts to extend. I do not think it comes with the inserts though. That looks good. All glasses tinted. And then you can see they painted the trim here as well. Exhaust tips look good. Beautiful car. All right, looking in the back, this smells brand new as well. You got the stripes in the carpet. You have the cargo net. Looks really good. They did a great job on the window tint, and then just kind of analyzing all of the trim here. That looks good. Beautiful, and then perfect opportunity to check out those bucket seats. Those look good. All right, checking out the interior. It looks and smells amazing. You still have that super fresh, clean smell. You can tell they never had food in here or anything random. It is just get in, drive it, enjoy it, and get out. Very, very clean. Upper section looks perfect. No separation on the leather. Looking at the buttons, nice and clean. Window switches look amazing. That leather's perfect. I'm not seeing really any flaws on that panel. Kind of scanning through the door jamb. Looks good. Carbon looks awesome here. That trim looks amazing. All of that looks good. Looking at that bolster, that looks perfect. Scanning through the edge right here, that looks good as well. Full carbon on the top, looks perfect. That looks good. Nice and clean. Got all the dry carbon, heads-up display, carbon on the wheel. There's really not much to pick apart in here. This is the only flaw I see, is that tiny little scratch. Okay, scanning through this door panel. The leather on the upper section is perfect. That looks good. Nice and clean. The switches look nice. There's really no complaints on that door panel. Very, very clean. Looking at the door jambs and the trim plate here, that looks good. Here on that bolster, that looks brand new. I don't see any scuffs or scratches. Bottom side's clean. That bolster looks good. And you got the carbon here. Looks really, really nice. And then all of that trim is perfect. All the way up here. All of this looks brand new. No complaints. Heated cool seats. No separation on the dash there. And then you have the headliner here. It looks beautiful. Okay, scanning through the engine bay. Looks all OEM. Bone stock. Nice and clean. Here on the underhood liner. Looks amazing. Let's check out the other side. Just kind of scanning through all of this. Looks really good.